guys, today we are going to learn how to test an oxygen sensor. This one, the one you see, this one here. Testing the oxygen sensor itself, not the heater circuit, because normally what the mistake that many mechanics do is they test the heater circuit. Once they see that the heater circuit is okay, then they tend to know that the oxygen sensor itself is okay. But today I'm making you a video of this oxygen sensor here, how to test it, to see that the oxygen sensor itself inside this shell is okay. So first, what this sensor does is called an oxygen sensor, but normally it doesn't measure oxygen. It measures the heat of the engine, because the computer balances the fuel due to the heat that is coming out of the vehicle, whereby high heat is regarded as a lean mixture, low heat is regarded as a rich mixture. So to start with is this, the tools. I'm going to start with the tools that you are going to use. First, I have a multimeter here. This is called a multimeter. See it? It is there. Second is these two pins. I've just removed them from the sockets, from old sockets. See here? They are here. So this is our oxygen sensor, which we are going to measure. First, we identify the identical wires, the two identical wires. You see here, it has these two whites. You see this, the two whites, and then there is this small gray and a black. First, then we first measure the heater circuit, whether the heater circuit is okay inside the oxygen sensor. There is what they call an heater circuit inside it that helps it to warm early, because when you start the vehicle in the morning it's a bit colder. So for the computer to drive the system into what they call a closed loop system, they put an heater circuit inside this oxygen sensor so that it can heat up very fast to cope up with the engine system. So we measure up the heater circuit. Note that there are usually two wires which are identical on all oxygen sensors. These two wires are identical. They are the one that goes on the heater circuit. These two. When you measure these two, let me measure them, and you see these two here. We are going to measure them up. I have no one to cut the camera for me. But we set the multimeter into the continuity side. You see here, I'm going to set it into the continuity side. Now we are going to measure the continuity of the heater circuit. We are going to measure the heater circuit itself. See here, if you press them off, you see here that beep side. Then we put them into our oxygen sensor here. See, inside this here, inside these two identical wires. Note, I have my daughter here has assisted me to help me with the camera. I'm a parent. See here. See these two wires. Now we are going to measure these two wires here. See hear that beeping sound, that means that the heater circuit is okay. Heater circuit, you see, I've measured these two wires. They are the one that goes on the what? On the heater circuit. Two. Now we are going to measure the what? The oxygen sensor. These are the oxygen sensor ones. These ones, the oxygen sensor. The black one usually has a negative from the vehicle ECU. There is a negative here, and this is the feedback. It feeds a voltage of around from 0.4 to 2 volts. 2 volts. That is it. Then we get these pins that have, you put them there. You put them on this heater circuit. You put them on the heater. See here? We are putting them on the heater circuit. There. See? Then we place our meter. See, we place our meter into the voltage side, the DC volts, into 2 volts. You see? Is there 2 volts? Place the meter into 2 volts. And then we plug these, you see, these 2 wires. We have these 2 leads from the meter. We are going to put them on the black one. The black one is called, this black and white, they are called oxygen sensor wires. See, where did I pierce it? Let's pierce somewhere else. There. You see? Now we get these heater wires. These heater wires that we put on the heater here. We put them one on the negative. We put them one on the negative. Show here. Water one. Water one. We put them on the negative wire. You are going to see here the voltage coming up at the wing. See? Then we've put it. Now you are going to see the difference in the voltage. You see it's coming. See? See? When you remove, it is going to drop slowly because the heater is still hot. See? You see? We have measured. Now we have measured that the oxygen sensor is functioning properly. See? Let's first let it first drop. See here? This is the oxygen sensor. See here? We have measured. Then let's put it back if we're going to see the readings.
You
see the readings. We are going to see the reading come on again. You see? Let us go. There we've tested our oxygen sensor plus the heater circuit. Because normally we usually test the heater circuit, but here we have measured the heater circuit. You see? Okay. Thanks. Yeah, they are finished testing our heater circuit and oxygen sensor.